With PDF DataNet, uploading a customer order into your sales order system couldn't be easier. How does it work? The PDF file of your customer order contains all the information PDF DataNet needs to create the order in your system. All you need to do is right-click on the file, choose Send To, and click on PDF DataNet. Just like that, the order's uploaded to your processing system with all the details you need. No typing, no printing, no errors. Just 3 simple clicks. PDF DataNet can also process supplier invoices and is compatible with a whole host of products including SAP, Sage 200, Oracle, Dynamics, and Unit 4. So whatever system you use, we're here to help. If you'd like to find out more about PDF DataNet and how it can help your business, please contact our team at pdfdatanet.com.